Magandang araw po sa inyo mga kababayan. Pag-usapan po natin ngayon ang Senado ng Pilipinas. Mahalaga po itong pag-usapan natin upang makatulong sa inyo sa inyong pagpili sa darating na eleksyon. Sa darating pong Mayo 12 o May 12, 2025 ay maghahalal po tayo ng 12 senador upang mapunan yung kakulangan at mabuo po yung 24 senators ng Philippine Senate. Ano po yung mga qualification o kwalifikasyon na dapat taglayin ng isang mamamayang Pilipino upang siya'y maging isang senador? So ito po ay kinuha natin sa Philippine Constitution. No person shall be a senator unless he is or she is a natural born citizen of the Philippines and on the day of the election. At least 35 years of age, able to read and write, a registered voter, a resident of the Philippines for not less than 22 years immediately preceding the day of the election. Nalaman na po natin yung mga qualification upang maging senador. Ngayon naman, pag-usapan po natin ano yung mga trabaho o the most important functions of senators. So kinuha po natin ito sa ABS-CBN News sa kanilang website. So ang unang nakalagay po dyan, lawmaking. Senators are primarily lawmakers. They file bills after careful study and consultations and work to have them signed into law. The task also involves improving existing laws through amendments. So ang pangunahing function o trabaho ng isang senador ay gumawa po ng batas. Pag-aralan yung mga batas na sa kasalukuyan at kung pwede ay amendahan. Isa pa pong tungkulin o functions ng ating mga senators ay yun pong budget. Senators help determine how the government spends public money based on the national budget. They scrutinize and introduce amendments to the House of Representatives budget bill, which is based on an expenditure program prepared by the executive branch. Kaya po, napakahalaga ng papel ng mga senador sa budget po ng Pilipinas. Ang sabi diyan, they scrutinize and introduce amendments to the House of Representatives budget bill. So pag-aaralan nilang mabuti, bubusisiin, susuriin po yung bill, yung budget bill na nanggaling po sa House of Representatives. Another functions o tungkulin po ng isang senador, impeachment judges. They sit as judges in an impeachment trial. They decide if an official accused of committing an impeachable offense should be removed from office. So nagiging judge po sila during impeachment time. So another functions, in case of war, with the rest of the Congress, senators have the power to declare the existence of a state of war. Another functions of a senator, amnesty. With the majority of Congress, their concurrence is needed on the President grant of amnesty. So another functions, oversight. They perform an oversight function, often by conducting investigation in aid of legislation. Oversight also means reviewing how particular laws are implemented by relevant government agencies. So kaya napapansin po natin may mga hearing sa Senado in aid of legislation. Appointments. Senators sit in the powerful Commission on Appointments, which scrutinizes certain appointments made by the President as part of the system of check and balances. So yung mga presidential appointment po, dumadaan po yan sa tinatawag nating Commission of Appointments, which is ang mga member ay mga senators at mga congressman. Treaty concurrence. They evaluate treaties entered into by the Philippine government. These agreements take effect only if approved by at least 16 out of 24 senators. Another functions o tungkulin po ng isang senador, martial law. With the rest of the Congress, they may revoke or extend martial law or the suspension of the privilege of the writ of habeas corpus. Base po dyan sa ating mga nilinaw o mga tinalakay natin dito sa programa nating Linawin Natin, siguro napapaisip na kayo doon sa mga iboboto ninyong mga senador. Ito bang gusto kong senador, kaya ito? Magagawa niya kaya tungkulin niyang ito? Itong mga functions na nabanggit? Kaya nung aking ibobotong senador. So kaya nasa sa atin mga kababayan ang tamang pagpili. Tingnan natin kung applicable ba o kaya ba nung ating iboboto yung mga tungkulin ng isang senador para hindi po masayang yung boto natin at yung mailagay natin na senador ay makakagawa ng mga batas at magagampanan niya ng yung kanyang tungkulin ang naaayon po doon sa mga binanggit na mga tungkulin o functions ng isang senador. Muli po maraming salamat sa inyong pakikinig at panonood dito po sa ating programa Linawin Natin dito sa Sir Boyet TV. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe, mag-subscribe na po kayo mga kababayan.